Hello, welcome. I've AFK'd for some time. This lab works. Oh yeah. Whoops. I have to organize all my pups. Forgot how puppies work. Look at that. Stack iron. Loaded. Oh. I'll just leave these guys to do their thing. But right now, I'm going to They're both in it now. They're both in it now. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, what was I gonna do? I know what this iron farm is good for partly. It's good for, as you can probably expect what I'm doing now. Bada bing, bada boom. Anvil. Yeah. Let's fix up my pickaxe a little bit. And now let's go into the mine. Woo! Oh, look at that. It's iron. Not like I have an iron farm or anything. Not at all, no. Alright, I just found some diamonds. I've gone through the water. I know I'd wait for fortune, but these are kinda in a spot where I don't just go here often. So, I'll mine them. Ooh, auto swims. Oh, that's diamonds. There we go. One, two, three, 5. That means we got 8. Nice. Okay, I think there's a spawner. Since it all of a sudden just wave of zombies. Stole my gunpowder. What the frick? They just keep coming. What? What? Are they just regenerating from dead zombies? Exactly. I don't even know if I can even get to it without being dying. That was a lot of zombies. Oh. They ain't eating us. Alright, I'm going treasure hunting. I've got a map. Marking. Right here. Hmm. This one? Oh. Right. Oh! Yeah, it's hard to see. It could be important later. Lots of fish. If we saw 2 diamonds. And smiling. Oh. Yeah. Look at this. 6 skeletons are all near each other. There's one enchanted book right up there. Yes. Yes. There. There. Yeah. To show how dumb a skeleton is. Oh, come on. I'm trying to show how dumb you are, Mr. Skeleton. Yeah. Yeah. Die. He's just dancing now. Come here, Mr. Skeleton. Boom. Skeleton. Dead. With no effort. Standing there. Alright, right now I'm just setting up a mob farm. And I think I will just first have it as a mob farm, then later turn it into a creeper farm. Since I'm gonna need gunpowder later. And I'm off again. Second time I've fallen off. More times I'm gonna fall off. Alright. I've done a little bit of AFK. Ooh. Right, so I already had that stack before. So I got an entire stack while I was AFK. And I wasn't like bad AFK, so this is the slowest it was running. It's not good. Oh, God. What the? I was trying to get experience levels and now there it all goes. There goes my experience levels. He was in water, as you can tell. You can easily tell the guy was in water. He still killed me. Yeah, my pickaxe is at 1 durability. Why I'm trying to get experience levels to enchant a new pickaxe. The man just... You steal me from my axe. That's right. Stay. So yeah, the mob farm's doing good right now though. Yep, that's right. I was attacked by a drone. Yes. So fun. So fun. This iron farm's doing good. Look at that. It's 18 iron that I got from last time we checked already. It's only been like what, a day. Watch out, everyone. My first trade. Ding. Wait, what? What did I? Oh my gosh. There we go, there we go. Yo, what a deal. What a deal. Indeed. Done. It's done. Already mobs have been falling in. Loot, gun, bones, arrows, rotten flesh for villagers. There's villagers right over there. I mean, this place is just gonna be slammed down. I mean, hoping some mobs will pop up. Apparently, no mobs want to be nice to me. There we go. Hopefully some will maybe spawn in the morning. I guess first we can check up on our villagers. I did take out the iron and to make those hoppers, so I just put that in. Just to have like storage. But if this pop, please. Finally. Where's the sun? Yeah. Woke up in it. Boom. 2 creepers. I had my cats over there for the creepers to come in faster. Yeah, I'm hoping for one string to make carpets to put on there. The spiders are coming down. I'm dying. I mean, there's one that died, but he took nothing. I guess we can hear the pain of an iron golem. Ah, music to my ears. Well, I guess that'll be the end of, is this episode 4? Yeah, 4. So, thanks for watching. See you next time. Wow. Should probably hold like. Wow.